Hello guys, today we will be reviewing the Mavic Air 2 drone. Before I start my video, I would like to shout out my friend Jesse Matutina for the suggesting a new place that I can use my drone and for providing the accommodation if ever I decided to go to Governor Generoso, province of Davao Oriental. Thank you in advance, Jess. Alright, first we will start off with the do's and don'ts when using your drone. Now we will be flying the Mavic Air in PGC Tiki. Just remember, if ever you plan to fly a drone, better do it on the open fields so that there would be no obstacles or whatever your drone might crash in case you panic on controlling it. Please do note to avoid flying between the buildings because there's a chance that your drone might go berserk due to wireless interference or whatever could cause it to malfunction. Actually, I should have at least researched before flying about that. That was a bad decision on my part, and hopefully that you will also take this into account so that you won't have to crash drone just like what I did, which is not a good experience, especially if you're a newbie. Now we will be unboxing the Mavic Air 2 drone FMC. It stated here that I need to charge first before using. So yeah, this, yep. Then slowly put this here. Correct direction.
Yep, I think I put it right. Now let's just give it the charge for a... Looks like I'm gonna play this tomorrow. This sucks, I can't wait to play anyway. Looks like we have this to charge. Yep, all of them are around 50%. So I need to max out the battery first for using. This is the only one charging, I think. It's not identified that this one is also charging. Yep. They all charging. That's a good sign. Alright, now we're ready to take flight. I can visualize myself. This one. Yep, you can actually see. Yep, that's the drone camera. I'm able to take myself. Now we're gonna take.
Now I'm gonna introduce the autonomous flying of Mavic Air 2, the quick shot feature. This feature allows you to easily generate stunning footage. There are still a lot of quick shots that I haven't covered on this video due to altitude restriction in my area. These are the sample drone footage that you can play in your video editor software. Here is a sample shot of the building. It's pretty nerve-wracking actually, so I try to keep it steady as much as possible. sample shot of the drone at night. Still able to perform well despite the lack of lighting. I must say I'm pretty impressed because most of the drones are not able to capture good quality image during this time of the evening. Here is a sample active parallel tracking of the Mavic Air 2. As you can see, the camera of the drone was able to follow me everywhere, even move when the subject is not within range. That is all for this video, guys. If you liked the video, please consider like and subscribe to our channel. I will be posting more videos like this in the future. See you and have a great day.